Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jonalyn Dahle. In this video, I will show you how to make biscocho the easiest way. Biscocho guys is a bread toast with sugar and margarine, or you can use butter, as easy as that. But first, we have our bread here. Very soft, but you can use any bread you want, or the leftover bread. You can use that also. This one, we can just cut first the sides. But this is optional if you want to cut the sides. Yung mga ganito ba? Yan siya guys, na hindi siya straight. Ayan, so we have just this one. Divide into two. Bite size. Lagyan lang natin sa baking tray. Ito na yun. Yan na yun siya. Lagyan na natin ng toppings. Or, lagyan natin ng margarine. Of course, ang ihala natin is margarine. Kunti lang margarine ko guys. Oh. Margarine at saka sugar. Ayan. Biscocho guys. Biscocho ng bayan. Masarap ito pang kape. Ayan. Back to back to guys ha. This one. And so the other side. Huwag masyadong madami kasi yan. Maingay yung oven. Gawin nyo lang ito until na matapos nyo lahat ng na-slice nyo guys. Back to back. Yan na guys, ano na lahat yung both sides. Then, pagkatapos nito, i-dip lang natin sa sugar. Ayan, itong sugar. Dip mo lang dyan. Back to back. Ayan. Hanggang gawin mo lang itong process na ito hanggang sa matapos mo lahat. Sukal na lahat. And guys, i-bake na natin. Okay. And guys, try natin baliktarin. Baliktarin lang natin. Para ma-toast talaga din sa baba. Guys, ang biscocho. Ayan. And guys, try natin. Ayan, try natin ang ito na yun, ang biscocho. Oh, napaka-crispy ang init. Napaka-crispy niya guys. Oh. Very crispy. Tikman natin guys. Narinig nyo? Ang gaano sa ka-crispy? Sarap. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe guys. See you on my next video.